Dear student, in this video we will learn the Pythagorean triplet and the problem of worksheet 4. What is Pythagorean triplet? Pythagorean triplet is 3 positive integers a, b, c in this order are said to form Pythagorean triplet if c square is equal to a square plus b square. If 3 number a, b, c are said to be Pythagorean triplet if c square is equal to a square plus b square, मतलब यदि पाइथागोरस थ्योरम होल्ड कर रहा है तो हम लोग बोलेंगे पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट. ठीक है. फॉर एनी, इसका रूल क्या है, कैसे, हाउ टू फाइंड पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट. फॉर एनी टू पॉजिटिव integers m and n greater than m, then Pythagorean triplet is a is equal to n square minus m square, b is equal to 2mn and c is equal to n square plus m square. By this rule we can find Pythagorean triplet by taking the various value of m and n. For example, if we take m is equal to 1 and n is equal to 2, then a is equal to n square minus m square, that is 2 square minus 1 square, that is 4 minus 1, that is 3. b is equal to 2mn, it means 2 into 1 into 2, that is 4, and c is equal to n square plus m square, that is 2 square plus 1 square, that is 4 plus 1 5. So 3, 4, 5 is Pythagorean triplet. Again another example, second example, if we take m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3, then we can find a is equal to n square minus m square, that is 3 square minus 2 square, so 9 minus 4, that is 5. b is equal to 2mn, it means 2 into 3, that is 12, and c is equal to n square plus m square, that is n square plus m square. तो n स्क्वायर क्या है, 3 का स्क्वायर है, और m कितना है, 2 का स्क्वायर है, तो ये क्या होगा, 9 plus 4, that is 13. So 5, 12, 13 is Pythagorean triplet. So we can find Pythagorean triplet by taking the different value of m and n and using a is equal to n square minus m square, b is equal to 2mn and c is equal to n square plus m square. Now we start worksheet 4. Here the first question, the length of hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 17 cm long if one of the remaining two sides is of 8 cm. Find the length of third side. You have to find the length of third side. First we make a right angle triangle. This is the triangle ABC. Here angle B is 90 degree. We know that the side opposite to the right angle be the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is AC is equal to 17 centimeter. One side is given 8 centimeter. You have to find the other side. Given that in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree, hypotenuse AC is equal to 17 centimeter, BC is equal to 8 centimeter. In triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, क्या होगा? AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AC स्क्वायर. Here AB square not given, so AB square and BC square is equal to 8 centimeter का square and AC square is equal to 17 centimeter का square. So we get AB square plus 64 centimeter square is equal to 289 centimeter square. ठीक है, तो क्या हो जाएगा अगले स्टेप में? AB स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 289 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर माइनस 64 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. इट मीन्स 225 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, एंड 225 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर कैन बी रिटन एज 15 सेंटीमीटर का होल स्क्वायर. सो AB स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 15 सेंटीमीटर का होल स्क्वायर. Then you get AB is equal to 15 centimeter. This is the answer. So the third side be 15 centimeter. Here the second question. The length of hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 13 centimeter. If one of the side of triangle be 5 centimeter, find the length of other side. Solution. First we make a right angle triangle, that is triangle ABC. Here angle B is equal to 90 degree. Here given that hypotenuse is 13 centimeter and the other side is 5 centimeter. You have to find the other side. One side of the triangle is 5 centimeter. You have to find the other side. So here given that in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Hypotenuse AC is equal to 13 centimeter, BC is equal to 5 centimeter. You have to find AB. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Then by Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So AB square plus 5 centimeter का square is equal to 13 centimeter square. So AB square is equal to 13 centimeter square minus 5 centimeter square. So AB square is equal to 169 cm square minus 25 cm square. After subtracting, you get 144 cm square. So AB square is equal to 12 centimeter का whole square. AB square is equal to 12 centimeter का whole square. So AB is equal to 12 centimeter. This is the answer. So the other side is equal to 12 centimeter. This is the answer. Now question number 3. In question number 3, the length of two sides of a right triangle are equal. The square of hypotenuse is 800 centimeter square. Find the length of each side. Here given that in a right angle triangle, the length of two sides are equal. Solution. First we make a right angle triangle. This is triangle ABC. Here angle B is equal to 90 degree. Here given that the length of two sides are equal, so hypotenuse is the longest side of a right angle triangle. So hypotenuse cannot be equal to any other two sides. So length AB and BC are equal. Let it is x centimeter. This is also x centimeter. Let in triangle ABC angle B is equal to 90 degree. The length of AB and BC are equal. We let x centimeter. Also given that AC square, the square of the hypotenuse, is equal to 800 centimeter square. Now in triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Here AB and BC both are same, so x square plus x square is equal to 800 centimeter square. So 2x square is equal to 800 centimeter square. 2x square is equal to 800 centimeter square. So x square is equal to 800 by 2, that is 400 centimeter square. ठीक है. So x square is equal to 400 means 20 centimeter का whole square. So x is equal to 20 centimeter. So the length of each side. So length of each side AB is equal to x is equal to 20 centimeter. BC is equal to x is equal to 20 centimeter and AC is equal to 20 और 20. जब 800 किसका स्क्वायर होता है तो 20√2 centimeter. This is the answer. Here the question number 4. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter stand on the plain ground. If the distance between their feet is 12 meter, find the distance between their top. Suppose here solution is, suppose this is two pole. First is 6 meter height and other is 11 meter height. 11 meter height. And the distance between their feet is 12 meter. So A, B, C, D, E. Here length of D and BC are equal. So BC is also 12 meter. Here CD is equal to B, so this is 6 meter and the whole length A is 11 meter. So and length of B is equal to 6 meter. So length of AB is equal to 11 minus 6, that is 5 meter. And the here angle is right angle. So first we find length of AB. Length of AB is equal to क्या होगा AE minus BE. Here A is 11 meter and B is 6 meter. So AB is equal to क्या होगा 5 meter. Again length of BC is equal to D. Length of BC is equal to D, that is 12 meter. So BC is equal to 12 meter. Now in triangle you have to find the length of AC, that is the distance between their top. So in triangle ABC angle B is equal to 90 degree. Then by Pythagoras theorem क्या होगा AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Here AC is not given but AB is equal to 5 meter and BC is equal to 12 meter. So we can write AC square is equal to 25 meter square plus 144 meter square. After adding you get 169 meter square and 169 is the square of 13. So we can write AC square is equal to 13 meter square. So AC is equal to 13 meter. So the length of their top is equal to 13 meter. This is the answer.